know. New Patek on my wrist. Yeah. White diamond and them shits in pink. Yeah. Got coin to go get a mink. Yeah. New finger ring sit like a sink. Yeah. You a bad bitch, then we can link. What? Hit the shower, you might stink.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Yay B.A. Hey, Yay B.A. I am so sorry, y'all. I've been gone for 2 weeks, too long. I just been trying to get my life together, you know, trying to study for my MCAT, and it's just a lot with work and everything, so bear with me. But anyways, I don't want to ramble too long. If you guys like what you see, I did this look literally in 15 minutes because my man's is rushing me. He's supposed to be going out somewhere, so I hope you guys enjoy the look and stay tuned. So the first thing that we are going to grab is our e.l.f. hydrating primer. Now I love this primer. It keeps our face nice and moist. So next we're just gonna fix up our eyebrows. I'm going in with the regular, my e.l.f. pomade. And yes, I got my eyebrows done. Your girl is not looking crusty, dusty, and busted no more. So yep, I don't have to really do too much. I'm just filling in, you know, like the little spaces that I got in my eyebrows. That's it. Gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Alright, so now I'm just going to fix up my eyebrows with some concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Espresso. After the cut using Espresso, I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows because, you know, we just can't be walking around with unconcealed eyebrows unless you just pop in like that. You could do it. Me, on the other hand, no, I gotta conceal and fix. So next we're just gonna go in with my favorite Holy Grail concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting. This is literally life. It is so full coverage. Like, y'all truly need to invest. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go into my palette, which I forgot the name. I'll link it in the description box. And I'm going in with that brown shade, and I'm just gonna use that kind of as my base. Then next I'm gonna take that reddish orangish shade, and I'm just gonna apply that to the outside of my the brown that I used, so that I kind of have, you know, multicolors on my eyes. I just think, you know, it's cute. I don't want it just brown on the outside. All right, so now we're gonna do the thing that we always do, a cut crease, because it's my favorite thing to do. I promise y'all I'm gonna switch it up. But I just take that same multi-sculpting concealer, cutting that crease, slaying to the gods. Ooh, look at that. You better get it. And yes, my palette is rinky dink and broken. But I'm gonna take that purple shade at the top. That's why I didn't open it all the way, y'all, because it's broken at the bottom. But I'm taking that purple shade, and look how pretty that purple shade is. My goodness, hunty. Look at you. You better apply that shadow. Work it. Okay, so I decided that I wanted to go in with black as my outer corner. And y'all, I literally was making this up as I went. I truly did not know what eyeshadow look I was gonna film for my channel. But since I've been gone for so long, you know, I had to do something. So this is my improv. And you see, I'm not really doing this one too messy. I'm making the black into the V on the outer corner like I usually do, you know, making it sharp. But I'm still gonna end up cleaning it with some concealer later. So now I'm going in with my favorite foundation, my Teinte Idole. I said Ecole, Lord. Edoll from Lancome. And this is the best foundation ever created on earth. My goodness, it is so full coverage. And it says non-transferable. Obviously, all foundation to an extent is transferable, but this one is very minimal. I had my boyfriend rub my face before, and he only had like the littlest bit compared to my other foundations. So next, I'm going back in with that Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. And as I said, I'm still going to cut where my eyeshadow is to make that sharp V. Not even a V, but we just going to call it a V anyway. I'm just going to put that in the usual spots. And I actually like to put it right there now, like under my nose, because I do find that I think I look better that way. So I'm going to do it. And now we just gonna blend it out with the Booty Blender and bounce it all over the face. Okay, so next, I actually learned this technique from Nima Tang on YouTube. And she just like blots her powder in. And of course I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I find that this way I actually like doing this instead of packing a bunch on my face, because I actually have dry skin. So it just, to me, my makeup turns out better. And then I'm just going to go with my medium deep Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I just take my NYX contour in the color Hollow as always, and we gonna contour them cheeks. Yes, get it hunty. And then, you know, we just gonna get the forehead. Next we gonna take the blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I took the darkest shade and I put that all over my cheeks. Now we're going in with the Perception palette from ColourPop. And I'm going to take that shade. I forgot the name. I'll link it in the description box. And then I'm just going to put that in my inner corner, because what is the look without an inner corner highlight? And then here I went back into that BH Brazil Cosmetics. And yes, my dumb behind used a Fluffy Side the first try. But then I realized I wasn't very smart and I switched it. And I just put that purple shade all on my under eye. And then I'm just going in my favorite, what's this called? Mascara from Laura Mercier. And I'm just popping her all on my lashes. Now I'm going back into that Perception palette from ColourPop. And I'm just using that same color that I used for my inner corner highlight as my highlight on my cheekbones. Literally, shout out to Shayla for creating this palette. I absolutely love it. This is an amazing palette. Alright guys, so I did my lashes off camera. Again, wait, hold on y'all. Shout out to my best friend, my good sis, Kiana. She slayed my ponytail, okay? Your girl is feeling herself. But anyways, I'm just going to complete this look with a gloss lip from Laura Mercier in the color Golden Peach. Ooh. That did, oh no. I feel like this lip look crazy, but then again, it doesn't, because it ties in. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do you think this lip is too foily? I mean, because my eyes, they're pink and purple, so anyways, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.